Find the product of two binomials. Suppose the question is x plus 5 into x minus 5. Here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, where we have a formula then a square minus b square. So where here in place of a x is there and in place of b 5 is there. So a means x, b means 5. So we write here x square minus 5 square, which we can write it as x square minus 25. Factorize x square minus 16x plus 63. So let us first find the factors for the last term, that is 63, because here 63 is a constant number without having any variable here. So let us find the factors of 63. So 63 can be written as 7 into 9, 21 into 3, so on. So when we observe here, we can say that here in this particular situation, if you add these factors, we have to get the middle term, that is 16. So what are the proper factors which when we add we get 16? 7 plus 9 if we consider, we get 16. So we take here 7 into 9, we consider 7 into 9. So x square minus 7x minus 9x plus 63. See, when you multiply these two numbers, we get 63. When you add these two numbers, we get 16. So here I have taken both the factors as minus 7 and minus 9 because here is a negative sign. So when we add both the numbers, we should get minus 16. So I have taken minus 7 and minus 9. Now, in these two terms, we can take x as common. So, we will take x and here we left over with x minus 7. Again, when you consider these two numbers, here minus 9 you take and because 63 can be written as 9 into 7. So I have taken 9 here outside. So I will write here as 7. When you multiply, we should get the same expression. You can see here minus 9 into x is minus 9x. Minus into minus plus 9 sevens 63. Now see here x minus 7 and here also x minus 7. So we'll take this x minus 7 common. Here we left over the extra term that is x and here is the extra term that is 9. So x minus 7 and x minus 9 are the factors of x square minus 16x plus 63. So we can write here x minus 7 and x minus 9 are the factors. Here, let us see one more example. 3y square minus 17y plus 10. When we observe here, the coefficient of y square is 3. So, we do the multiplication for these two numbers so that we'll find the factors for 3 into 10, that is 30. We'll find the factors for 30 in such a way that when we add the two factors, we have to get 17. So let us find the factors here in the rough column. Factors of 30 are 3 into 10, 2 into 15, 1 into 30, 5 into 6. So out of all these factors for 30, when you see here 2 into 15, when you add 2 and 15, we get 17, which is the middle term. We get 17 when you add these two factors. So, let us consider 2 and 15 here. So, we write here as 3y square minus 15y minus 2y plus 10. Now, consider first two terms. In these two terms, 3 and y can be taken common. So, we write 3y here. Here, when you take 3y, we left over with 1y. So, we write that 1y minus, and here 5 will be common. See here, this 15, we can write it as 15y can be written as 3 into 5 into y. 3 into 5 into y. So, you can take 3 and y, if we take common, we left over with 5. So, I have written here 5. Now, minus. Again, when you observe these two terms, in both the terms, 2 is common. So, we will take 2 common. Here, I left over with y. So, we write y here minus. Here, if we take 2 outside, we left over with 5. Now, once you come here, you can observe that the bracketed portions, that is y minus 5, is common in both places. So, we will write here y minus 5 will take common here. Here, if you take y minus 5, we left over with the 3y. So, we are writing here 3y. And here, the extra is minus 2. So, we write minus 2. So, the factors are y minus 5 and 3y minus 2, or the factors of the given expression. When we factorize any algebraic expressions, always the expression should be in the descending order. See here. Here x plus y whole power 2 and here x plus y and here no variable is there. So we first write this expression in the descending order. So we can write here as 9 into x plus y whole square minus 27 into x plus y plus 20. So I just kept it in the descending order according to the powers. So I have written this 27 into x plus y in the middle and I kept this constant, that is plus 20, here at last. Now when we observe, here is x plus y whole square and here also x plus y. So we consider, let us consider x plus y is equal to k. Just one variable will take, because here it is given as a binomial product where x plus y whole square and here also x plus y. So we consider x plus y is equal to k. So now we can write this expression as 9k square minus 27k plus 20. Now we'll find the factors for this. Now always the coefficient of k square should be 1. Here it is 9. So what we do? We take the factors for 20 into 9, which is 180. 20 into 9 is 180. So let us find the factors for 180. So for 180, 20 into 9 is 180 and 60 into 3 is 180. 30 into 6 is also 180. And still what more we can say? 18 into 10 is also 180. 15 into 12 is 180. So out of these many factors, we'll consider the factors which will fit for this problem. That means if you take any two factors, if you add, we should get the middle number. That is 20 plus 9, 29 we will be getting here. Here is 27, so we cannot consider 20 and 9 as the factors. Even the same case with the 60 and 3 and 30 and 6 also. So suppose if we take 15 and 12. 15 plus 12 is 27. So we can consider 15 and 12 here. So let us write here as 9k square minus 15k minus 12k plus 20. It means that I splitted the middle term into as the sum of the two factors. So in these two numbers, now we can take 3k as common. So we write here 3k, k minus 5. And again in these two numbers we can consider 4 as common. 4 table we can take. So here 3k minus 5. K minus 5 and 3k minus 5. But we didn't get any common factors here. Here we got 3k minus 5 and here we got k minus 5. So further we cannot proceed it. So what we do is we just interchange. Instead of like this, we just interchange the factors by writing here we write 15 and here we write 12. Here we write 12 and here we write 15. We'll just see here. Here again in these two numbers 3k will take common. I left over here with a 3k minus 4 and minus 5. If we take again 3k minus 4. Now we got here 3k minus 4 and here also 3k minus 4. So 3k minus 4 into 3k minus 5 are the factors of the given expression, that is for this. But we have taken that k is equal to x plus y. So in place of k we substitute x plus y. So we write here as 3 into x plus y minus 4 and 3 into x plus y minus 5.